What's up, guys? It's me, Mason, and we're gonna be playing. Not playing, but we're gonna do a pack opening. We're gonna
Hi,
get the
everybody.
good
It's
old.
Luke Shelby. Welcome to the show.
I hate you, Greek. How dare you interrupt me? But yeah, we're gonna be opening some packs. They're on sale right now, so no, not that. I don't want community market either. I'm just gonna go to my inventory. We're gonna open a good old 50 bundle. We're gonna start with the show packs. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, my audio is fixed. We're not going for anything but diamonds. I don't really care. I'm trying to complete the live series set to get that 99 Randy Johnson. I still haven't done that. So, yeah. Trying to do that today. Would be pretty dang cool. Ooh. Cool, I guess, but not what I'm looking for. But, yeah. I was gonna record Minecraft, but the audio on Minecraft and Minecraft, took very long to load, and I had to update. So I just decided to record MLB. But yeah, that's what was happening today. Ooh, Walker Bueller. What is that? 23K, that's an easy dub. We had Diamond already, good lord. Cuddies. Hoping to get Corbin Burns. What is this lag? The video before this cut out, so this is going to be hope. I think I can, but I'm just going to add that into the other video. So yeah. We're going to buy some more packs now that we got that axe thing as soon as it doesn't go as fast. But yeah, I'm trying to get the 99 Corbin Burns so I can get some stubs for the Mike Trout, because that's a card I really want. John Schreiber, however you say it. Sorry for butchering your name. But yeah, we'll be playing we'll be doing some actual gameplay soon. Once I figure out, good lord, what was that lag? I was picking up on the gold here, but also, as I was saying, we will be recording gameplay, hopefully as soon as I get some better recording software. Because right now I'm literally just using Xbox on PC. Give me diamonds. I don't want any of these, I want diamonds. I don't care about these are stupid. Don't care. Give me diamonds. I'm gonna go buy some more packs now we got these. I'm gonna buy these singles. I would play 2K, but it's not on PC Game Pass anymore, so I can't really do that, sadly. Or Gold Warfare. Ooh, Kyle Wright. We'll save the chase pack still. Give me a goddamn diamond already, good lord. But, I'm gonna be putting my dude Camden, he's my IRL friend, in the bio. He's got a YouTube channel, and I want y'all to go follow him, you know what I'm saying, subscribe. We're doing a survival, like, a co-op Minecraft survival world. Hopefully the audio on this isn't screwed. But yeah, we're doing a co-op survival world on Minecraft, and we're on episode 2 now, I think. So y'all should go check that out after this. I'll leave his channel in the description. Alright, we're picking up on the gold, but where are the diamonds? Been more than 50 packs. Actually, I think we're just now approaching the 50 mark. Oh, a chase pack. That's good. That's good for us. That is very good. So no matter what, we'll probably be getting about 10k stubs back from those chase packs, and we can buy more packs. Unless it is Corbin Burns. Then I'm saving up for Mike Trout. Because if I get to 1 million like stars in the Forever program, I can sell all the cards I get for about 1 million stubs. But getting a Corbin Burns out of the chase set packs will make that go even better. I've already gotten you twice, haven't I? I don't want you. I want diamond. Oh, magic number 27. Let's get it. Let's get it. Nothing. How have we not gotten a diamond? I don't know. Ooh, old Atlanta. I don't really care. I only use one stadium. Angel Stadium. Give me a diamond already. Oh, I would like to pull Mike Trout. Old Hickory, man. That would be cool. But yes, Mike Trout is my favorite player. All of my friends in school flame me for it, but I don't really care. He's the GOAT of today's generation. This man is goated. Probably gonna be the best player ever when he retires. In my opinion, he probably will be if he goes on like this. Can't wait for the World Baseball Classic. It's gonna be so dope. It's gonna the DR is loaded though. Like, no cap. The DR has, like, Vladdy, Soto, Manny, Julio Rodriguez. They got so many good players on the DR. But we got some good players, too. We got Trout, we got Schwartz, we got Trey. Who else we got? I know we got... Oh, yeah, Shohei's playing for Japan. Shohei just signed with New Balance. I think it's a good move. New Balance is underrated, in my opinion. I do like New Balance. It is fire. I think that's where Acuna is going to sign, unless he's already signed with Nike. I'm not sure if he has a deal yet. This is about to be 70 packs I've opened with no diamond. That is just disappointing. I'm just going to rip through these. We'll get on to the chase packs. We'll go look at the golds we got. Wow, 70 packs, no diamond. Flip it. Okay, gold lights. Give me Brewers. Mets. It's a legend. I'm not sure who this is. The Pete Alonso? I didn't even know you could get these out of this. I'm behind. Okay, that's okay. That's another 13k. Gold lights again, some Brewers. Brewers, come on, don't be Prince Fielder. Do not be Prince Fielder. Let's go! Corbin Burns! Let's get it! Let's go! That is a dub. That is a dub right there. Corbin Burns is a dub. Okay, only 39k. It's still worth it. Since when did he drop in so much price? Thought he was still like 300. No cap, I thought he was like 300 still. Corbin Burns. Bro, my dude is like 62,000, bruh. That's whack. How much is Mike? A million. A million, of course. Trout is still a million. Well, I'm gonna put in a sell order for this. We'll go with 60k. And with that, we'll probably do another pack opening. But that'll be it for this pack opening, guys. I'll leave my boy Cam's channel in the description. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.